How long can I expect my lift to last for? And what difference can quality maintenance make to a lift's lifespan? Premium lift maintenance is invaluable. Choosing ACE lifts extends lifespan, boosts reliability and safety. Quality maintenance is the key to a longer, safer, and more reliable lift life, crucial for both users and owners. Primarily and above all, the longevity of a lift is deeply rooted in how well it's maintained. With diligent servicing, lift lifespan improves noticeably. ACE Lifts engineers are trained to spot early signs of potential issues with the help of their ILM Intelligent Lift Management System, averting large-scale troubles. This functions like timely health checkups for your lift. Consider it akin to routine health checkups for your lift. They are instrumental in keeping it in prime condition. The superiority of the lift is inherently dependent on the quality of its crucial components. ACE Lifts offers quality materials for sturdy construction and seasoned professionals for installation. Lower-priced options might seem tempting, but often result in higher maintenance costs. Making a wise investment in quality materials and professional installation directly reflects the lifespan and cost efficiency of your lift. The amount of usage a lift sees can significantly impact its lifespan. Busy locations accelerate wear and tear, while harsh conditions may quicken deterioration. Regular maintenance can mitigate these effects. A trusted company like ACE Lifts, with their excellent services, can ensure your lifts remain in optimal working condition, irrespective of their exposure to high traffic or harsh conditions. The lift industry has undergone substantial technological advancements, with innovative solutions being at the forefront. For instance, ACE Lifts has been overhauling key components like motors and control systems, introducing smart monitoring. These enhancements not only improve functionality, but also prolong a lift's lifespan. The implications of these innovations are far-reaching, making them particularly significant in the long-term perspective. So, what is the lifespan you can anticipate for a lift? Ideally, a lift lasts 20 to 30 years, with variations. The lifespan hinges on several like regular maintenance, component quality, usage, environment, technology, and electrical part durability. Notably, quality maintenance by a reputable company such as ACE Lifts greatly influences the lift's life expectancy.